Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another, well, this ain't really an episode, this is just me out having fun. If you can't see, let me get out of the way over here. I got two little orange specks out here, and we're going to have some fun with them today. And one of them over here is 1 pound of tannerite to the left, and to the right on top of the logs where the target is a ½ pound. I know, ain't going to be real interesting, but let's see what that 1 pound does to that tree. I'm going to shoot the ½ pound on the right first, and then I'm going to shoot the 1 pound, or I'm going to shoot the ½ pound on the right, and then I'm going to shoot the 1 pound on the left. Give me a minute to get my ears and get situated. Fire in the hole! ½ pound coming up first. That was cool! Let's do the 1 pound. Oh yes, hell yeah, hell yeah. Well, I don't think a pound did what I wanted it to do. But oh my gosh, it took everything out from around that tree. Oh hell, I didn't even see that ½ pound knock my whole log off. Hell, it blew. This is already pretty much gone from us shooting. Ah! Yeah, let's try that again. This is already pretty much gone from us shooting. This right here is from the tannerite. I got wood all over the place. I got salamanders running for their life. That was cool.